Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Harassment Defense Lawyer in St. Louis, Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with harassment in the state of Missouri, we can help you. Don't face the state and court system alone during your harassment charge. Contact one of our harassment criminal defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all harassment defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's talk about being charged with harassment in the state of Missouri. Harassment Lawyer in St. Louis, Missouri. Protect your rights. Despite our best efforts, sometimes people don't always get along well with each other. Maybe someone did something that you took the wrong way, or hurt someone you care about, and you decided to react accordingly. However, the line between simply losing your temper with someone and what Missouri law defines as harassment is a lot finer than you would expect. Combs Waterkotte, an experienced St. Louis criminal defense law firm, is here to help you if you have been accused by someone of criminal harassment charges. We can help guide you through the legal process and inform you of all your rights when it comes to harassment. What constitutes harassment in St. Louis and Missouri? Missouri law defines harassment as engaging in an act that causes someone else emotional distress without good cause. Emotional distress is itself defined as causing someone emotional distress that is more significant than the level commonly experienced as part of day-to-day living. Common actions that are seen as harassment by courts include, but are not limited to, threatening to commit a crime with the intent of frightening or intimidating another person, using offensive language to the point where another person believes they are at risk of physical harm, anonymously contacting a person via phone call, email, text message, or social media with the intent of frightening, intimidating, or otherwise causing them emotional distress. Knowingly communicating with a minor, a person under the age of 18, to frighten, intimidate, or cause them emotional distress. Repeatedly making unwanted communications with someone. Acting in a way that frightens, intimidates, or otherwise causes someone emotional distress without good cause, considering their age and sensibilities. Missouri's laws regarding harassment. The state of Missouri defines two different degrees of harassment. The difference between the two is minor. First-degree harassment is seen as when someone, without good cause, causes another person emotional distress, in one of the ways listed above. Second-degree harassment, though, is defined as when someone, without good cause, engages in an act with the purpose of causing emotional distress, in any of those said ways. While that difference may seem minor on its face, it can be very important when your Missouri harassment case goes in front of a judge. Second-degree harassment is in most cases a Class A misdemeanor, which has a maximum penalty of 1 year in jail and a maximum fine of $2,000. However, if your charge is a first-degree one, it could be a Class E felony, which has a maximum penalty of 4 years in state prison. Repeat offenders and those harassing minors are also subject to felony charges. What Combs Waterkotte's St. Louis harassment lawyers can do for you. You may feel that what you did was legitimate or potentially even worth it, but the law and employers, volunteer organizations, and anyone else who conducts a background check will not know this. If you're facing harassment allegations in St. Louis, it's essential to have a skilled harassment defense lawyer on your side. Why you should hire Combs Waterkotte for your harassment defense. Your attorney will explain charges, consequences, and your rights in a harassment case. Thorough evidence review and assessment of case strength. Tailored defense strategy to challenge prosecution's case. Negotiation for charge dismissal or reduction. Guidance on avoiding self-incrimination in statements. Collection of evidence and witness statements supporting your case. Court advocacy. Witness cross-examination and evidence challenge. Handling appeals and seeking post-conviction relief. What to do if you are accused of harassment in St. Louis? If you find yourself accused of harassment, it's crucial to keep a cool head. First and foremost, refrain from engaging in any further communication or actions that could be construed as harassment. Next, consult with an experienced St. Louis harassment lawyer who can guide you through the legal process. Do not make statements to anyone, especially on social media or other public platforms, as these can be used against you. Document any evidence related to the accusations, such as messages, emails, or witnesses who can attest to your innocence. Finally, cooperate fully with your attorney to build a strong defense and protect your rights during the legal proceedings. Contact our reputable St. Louis harassment attorneys. If you want to prevent your life from being derailed by harassment charges, you need to talk to a reputable St. Louis criminal defense law firm like Combs Waterkotte. We will fight your harassment charges aggressively and ensure that they are minimized or even dismissed, so you can keep your rights and freedoms. Contact us online or call 3149-00-HELP today for a free case evaluation so we can begin to work with you as soon as possible.